It's Charlie Wheels back with another device review, and this time I'll be reviewing a PC, the ASUS ZenBook 14 UX43F model. Now, the ZenBook 14 is ASUS's elegant laptop series that heralds a new era of compact laptops with no compromised performance. Let's find out what that means and check out some other specs that include the memory and battery life for a device that is priced at 495,000 naira. My first impression about this PC, just looking at it, has to be the size. It is a sleek yet compact device that is easy to carry around, weighing 1.26 kilograms, and it can fit quite nicely into a backpack or a handbag, right? And this comes as no surprise actually, because the ZenBook series is ASUS's lightest laptop series. Let's take a quick run through the interfaces and find out what's on the inside. Now, the look on this device is quite impressive, from the way the keyboards light up to the color choice of royal blue, the rose gold trim panel under the screen's bottom bezel, and the material choice of a metal finish all through. In a design world of ergonomics, wrist rests, and working from home, the ZenBook features an ErgoLift hinge that is designed to tilt the keyboard to a more comfortable position when typing. The display on the ZenBook 14 is a 14-inch bezel-less laptop in a 13-inch form factor with a 92% screen-to-body ratio and a vibrant LCD display. Now, ASUS calls this the Nano Edge display that is designed to give a near-borderless experience that is great for work or watching videos. Despite the new thin bezels, the display still features an optimally positioned webcam that now has 3D infrared capability for fast face logging, even in dim environments. The camera also features a new 4-element lens for sharper images. The highlight of the display for me is the revolutionary dual screen technology that now has a smartphone-like touchpad. ASUS calls this the Screenpad 2.0. With a 5.65-inch Full HD screen, the Screenpad 2.0 presents you with two options for two separate screens and is designed toward a more efficient workflow, especially for multitasking workflow. The touchpad also displays a collection of handy ASUS utilities to boost productivity and a precision touchpad that supports up to 4-finger gestures. In any instance where you may encounter a form of inconvenience with using both screens, there is an option to shut down the Screenpad 2.0 so that it functions only as a trackpad. A run-through on the device's specs shows that it's a 10th generation Core i7U processor with 16 GB RAM, 15 watts thermal design power, and 500 GB solid-state drive. But let's break down the usual concerns regarding the performance of PCs. Number 1, heating. The spec is 15 watts TDP, and in this context, we're referring to how much the CPU can manage dissipating 15 watts of heat without exceeding the maximum temperature junction of the laptop CPU. And we know that the higher the TDP, the higher power potential it can draw. So in this case, it's fair enough, especially as the device is aided by an updated cooling system. An impressive RAM size of 16 GB makes it the highest storage capacities on the market, which is roughly equivalent in value to a 3 TB hard disk drive. To put this in context, 16 GB would usually run well for gaming laptops and external graphics cards. So we're talking faster processing of information and durability. Durability in the sense that it's impervious to damage of being dropped. Now, I didn't get to carry out any durability tests on the device, but ASUS claims that all of the ZenBook models have been torture tested to military-grade reliability standards that include environmental extremes of altitude, in addition to extensive drop, shock, and vibration testing. So we can agree that the device is top of the range that makes it ideal for creating complex documents, running applications and downloads, or streaming at 1080p. The battery of the device is a 50 watt-hour 3-cell lithium polymer battery with a 65 watt power adapter charger. Judging by my time watch, it would take close to 2.5 hours to charge to full capacity. For the purpose of tasks carried out in preparation of this review, the battery should hold out anywhere between 5 and 6 hours. Here's my verdict on the ASUS ZenBook 14 UX43F model. The design is a major selling point for me. It's sleek, elegant, and compact. The RAM size and fast SSD also greatly contributes to the performance of this laptop. Some concerns about the device include that the charging port isn't Type-C, and the only Type-C port available on the device cannot be used for charging, which means you need to go around with a Type-C charger in a time where many devices support Type-C chargers. But if you're looking for a compact yet high-performing device, whether as a creative or top executive, then the ZenBook 14 UX43F model is a great choice. The device is priced at 495,000 Naira, which is a little over $1,000. So the big question is, does this device deliver for the highlighted features in this review and the said market price? Let me know what you think about the ZenBook 14 by dropping a comment below. You should subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Like and share this video if you may, and I'll be back next time for another review.